Hey guys, welcome back. I was going for a walk with my lawnmower. It's a partner 3750 SM, but I can't get her to start. And the problem is that this primer ball is dry and possibly cracked, so it can't pump up fuel. So that's what we are replacing today. I'm going to remove the air filter and air filter housing for easier access. Put that aside. And now there are two clips, one right here and one on the opposite side, that we want to press in and at the same time try to force the ball out. So if I come on this side, and we pry a little on this side, okay, be like that. Okay, that was easier said than done. I can clean the area. And so now we can take a new bulb and we want to line line it up so that it matches the holes. And I use a 19mm socket. It fits perfectly in here. Anyone? Yeah, something is happening. Okay, now we can refit the air filter. Now I'm going to need a hand to lift this down to the floor. Timmy? This is my son Timmy, who's gonna help me lift.
Hi.
Are you strong?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So, if you grab a hold here, there and there. And oh,
it's heavy.
ooh, way to go! Yay! Now let's put her outside and give her a test start.
Let's go.
Okay, let's give her a yank. Let's try the primer ball. Oh yeah, she feels good.
It was working.
It's working! Yay! An easy fix. Well guys,
Bye.
hope you enjoyed this one. Until next time, see ya!
Bye.